Hi, my name is Hannah. I started seeing Melissa back early April. I started seeing her because of dealing with recurrent pregnancy losses. So I read that acupuncture and meridian and Tai Chi was a good way to kind of stay stress-free and balance myself out. So I started seeing her a couple months before I was trying to conceive. First month of trying to conceive, got pregnant right away, and started seeing Melissa weekly through week 12, and happy to say I'm on week 12 tomorrow, so never been this far before. Acupuncture has definitely helped me stay stress-free and calm. I also started doing Tai Chi weekly, which really helped. This was a stressful time because of dealing with my past losses, so by doing acupuncture and Tai Chi, it definitely helped me stay calm and stress-free. So I definitely love my choice of getting acupuncture.